Morning everyone, finally back again here to share another journal with you. Once again I'll be apologising for my lighting. It's a dark day here in the north of the UK. It's been sunny, and when the sun is out it drops really low, so it's making filming really hard. I've tried this video, this is the third and last attempt. If I just can't get the lighting right, I'll just have to leave it for now. But I want to share with you my latest journal. It's a trifold journal, and I've been really inspired by watching Beth's journal. Oh, I won't put a link actually. It's Beth, I'm sure you all know, she makes these amazing trifold journals and flip-flop journals, and I've sort of basically made this following a tutorial that she's got on her site. So I suggest if anybody wants to have a go at making one, you visit her site, because me trying to explain how to make anything really wouldn't work. But I've called her Madam Butterfly, and it's basically a journal with loads of butterflies and things like that in it. I've used kits from Ruby and Pearl EXO. I think one of them is called Bohemian something, and the other one is called Violet, I think. But once again, if anybody wants the names of the kits, just give me a shout and I will hunt up the proper names for them. I'm just so bad at remembering names of kits, I'm really sorry. The front of it, I've just got this little, I think it was like a brooch, I don't know where I got it from. I probably picked it up on my travels, but it's just clipped into some sari ribbon here, but I just thought it was lovely. It was like a woman with butterfly wings, and she looks sort of very like a fairy or ethereal, and it's coloured in lilac both sides, but I just thought it went perfect with this journal. So that's my basic enclosure, just sari silk tied. The front of it, I've just got this beautiful image, which was, I know, one Ruby and Pearls. It might be called Bohemian Butterfly or Boho Beauty Butterfly, something along those lines. I've just got a little bit of fabric with some gold trim, just a little bulldog clip on the top, which I like to put on my journals because it means you can always put your own papers inside, and then just clip them in sort of little booklets or anything. The front page, I've done a lace tuck, and I've just collaged up with various papers. I've just done some butterfly tags. I've just collaged up these larger tags. Once again, most of the stuff is from the kit. I think that was from Ruby and Pearl ballet kit, I want to say. I've just got a little purple paper doilies, is that what you call them? I just found these. I forgot I haven't used paper doilies in my journals for a long time, so I found a pile, so I thought I'd better start using. Here I've just got a little journaling card, but I love this lady. She looks like a fairy with butterfly wings. It's a very beautiful image. I've left some papers plain, obviously, for journaling. I've just made up this little tag with scraps of ephemera and paper. I'm sorry for all the background noises as well. I've just got my if you can hear them, I've got my washing machine going because I'm trying to get the clothes ready. I go away out on at weekend. We're going to the Christmas markets in Boswell, I think that's how you pronounce it. Once again, I've probably butchered the name of the city, but it's usually lovely, and it's usually snowy there at this time of year, and they've got the most amazing Christmas markets. So I'm going there, so I'm trying, this is my last day off till I go back to work tomorrow, so I'm trying to get everything done. And if you can hear some jazz music in the background, that's coming from the next room. My cat likes to sleep in front of the TV with a screensaver on, playing jazz music. For some reason it relaxes him and sends him to sleep, so sorry for all the background noises. Here I've just left these, I've put some black paper in, which I always think looks lovely if they're wrote up in silver pens, silver gel pens or gold. I was going to try and do some Christmas journals, but I just haven't got there. Time's flown away from it, and I've been trying to do some knitting. I'm knitting some Christmas presents, so this really probably will be my last journal of the year. Although I've got another one half finished, but there's no way I'll get it out now. Some music paper. with a guest check on that side. I hope I've got this in frame. Oh, I should explain actually, the journal, like I said, is a trifold journal. Before I finish off going through, I'll just show you how it folds out. It sort of folds out like that, and I'll explain that a little bit when I get to it. And of course now I've lost where I was up to. Yeah, this back. And it measures 8 inches in length by 4 in width, and it has 40 pages front to back. And I have just listed it in my Etsy shop, Bohemian Rhapsody GB, if anybody's interested in it, or private message me, whatever works. I've just put some journaling cards in here, some little tag things, just like you could also use for embellishing your journal a bit more or adding your own pages. I always think it's nice to personalise your own journals. Oh, I'm sorry, the light is so bad now. The sun is out. I may have to forget this video and try another day. But I'll carry on. I'll see what the quality's like at the end. Here I've just done a little collage paper with this beautiful woman on. Oh, I can't even see myself now what I'm filming. Not even in frame, am I? But because this time of year is murder to film, isn't it? Got a blank page for journaling. I've used this image again in here, just backed it onto some brown cardstock, brown paper, which is always good for journaling, just writing notes on. Some more music paper. I love this pink paper, I just thought it went very well with the journal. Here I've just done a little vellum tuck spot and just got some journaling cards and some tag with this beautiful image of this little girl with wings on. The centre of the journal, I've just put 2 lace pockets, which is great for just holding tags, little bookmark, journaling cards, little notes, whatever you want to put in them, photographs. Oh, the shadow is really bad here, I'm sorry. Some blank pages for writing, another journaling card with a little butterfly on top, and I've just put some embossed card on it. This is from the Ruby and Pearl kit, Violet, I think. I love this image, I think it's beautiful. And I've backed that again onto some brown paper for journaling. Nice black page here once again for writing, attaching pictures, music paper. Here I've just got one of these old receipt things. I've just folded it over, which you could always attach some more paper to that, clip things in, photographs. Won't go through every page. People who use these know what they're for. Here I've just got a secret tuck spot though. This does open up into some journaling space. But I like these. If you're wanting to do Christmas lists and things that you don't want people to see, you can always write on them and fold them over. Nobody knows anything. Now we're at the back of the journal, as it flips out, but I have got another flip here, which has got these 2 beautiful images of young girls, young ladies, should I say. And here it falls out. Let's see if we can. Yeah, the sun's really going up. It's absolutely blazing now, the sun. It's such weird weather we're having. This week we've had snow. We're on flood alert at the moment because Storm Bert hit us over the weekend and it rained solidly for 36 hours. Flooded everywhere. Last week was beautiful. It was all snowy and icy and frosty. This week it's wet and sunny. Do what you can with that. Here I've just got, I didn't want to put a lot of tags and cards in because I just love this image and I didn't really want to cover it up, so I've just put 2 tiny little cards which are alright for journaling on. Here I've done, I'll take these out to show you. I've done, I think it's a double, is it double or a triple? Oh, it's a double tuck spot. Where at the front here you can just tuck, which I've just tucked. These are actually from Artie Mae's foxgloves, but I found them in my stash and really need to start using stuff up. These tags just go in here. get them in. Once again, I've just collaged these up with various papers. Oh, actually, it is a triple pocket. There's one, no, two. Yes, it is. It's a triple pocket. I knew I'd put a triple one in somewhere. That can just go in that bottom one. And another little card in there. And at the top, I've just put in a journaling card. I had to be careful. I had a lot more stuff in this, but it was starting to bulk out and it was getting very hard to close. So I had to take some bits out. But like I said, it's all very butterfly themed. And it just folds back into place like that and back round again. So once again, hope everybody's okay and doing well and are probably all busy now getting ready for Christmas and stuff. And take care. Catch up with you all soon. Bye.